What is happening, coming at you with some more statistics and some more data that's kind of telling the story. 20 over 21, the annual review, now that 21 is behind us and we can look forward to a new year of life. As a whole, at the end of 21, it felt nearly as if the market kind of fell off a cliff. And it was pointed out in our office meeting this past week that it merely has only gone back to the norm prior to the pandemic. So actually, we're doing just fine as we were before. It's just starting to look more like the winters of yesteryear, where things kind of came to a halt around Thanksgiving, and then somewhere closer to spring started to pick up back up again. So I think that's kind of where we're back at. I mean, the other argument is that we've had so much movement, and it's like, where do you go from here? From a market trend standpoint, I think a lot of people found a lot of value outside of the typical epicenters of like Ketchum and Sun Valley, because there was a high amount of growth that occurred in other South Valley parts of the market. And additionally, from a quarter-over-quarter standpoint and annual comparison, we point out that folks actually might be finding better value in Elkhorn than Ketchum. That might just speak to the level of inventory, the type of inventory. People just might be finding more things attractive in the Elkhorn area in terms of homes and land. Mostly just in single-family homes. And furthermore, another thing too is outside of the valley, Stanley Basin took a little bit of a dive, and this is probably due to exorbitant prices and lack of inventory. Thus, the Lost River Valley, the Mackey area, saw more activity this year, and that's a trend that I was kind of been predicting for a while and saying, hey, this is where your next best value is. That being said, all the real estate theories can be proven right now. So that's just a little bit of where we're at right now, and then where we've come in the last year. So we're still getting there.